Sentencing in federal court is perhaps the most important aspect of a criminal case, obviously except for the trial. Federal sentencing is guided by the US sentence guidelines. Knowledge of, awareness, experience in the US sentence guidelines is what distinguishes federal lawyers from all others. A couple of years ago, I had a case involving a money laundering charge in which the government was seeking 14 years imprisonment. They were just wrong, but I knew the guidelines, and I knew them well enough to fight for my client so that at the end of the sentencing, the judge had sentenced the defendant to no more than 2 years in jail. Now, of course, I wasn't happy that my client went to jail at all, but on the money laundering charge for which he was convicted, it was a very fair and very reasonable sentence, and it was accomplished because I knew the guidelines, and I knew how they worked, and I knew how they were effective in court. Should there be a trial, and should there be a conviction, your lawyer must know the US sentence guidelines. We at the law firm of Joseph Potashnik and Associates have been practicing federal law for at least 30 years. We know the guidelines. We understand them, we know how they work, and we can use them to your advantage should you be convicted of a federal crime.